Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. Also, make sure to go down in the description and sign up for Blofin. They're offering some big sign up and competition bonuses in the description below, so go get involved in that. And also, finally, if you're interested in my trading bots, which have been making me over 5% a month returns passively for the past few years, send me a Twitter DM down below via the link and we will get you hooked up with one of those. It's been allowing me to buy the dip on all these cryptos that keep on dipping, especially Polygon. I do have a fairly sizable bag of Polygon now, just because I've been continuously averaging in on this downtrend over the past, I would say, 6 months or so. I think I started buying a few bags of Polygon around this area here, under $1, because obviously the all-time high being $3, expecting some moves to the upside beyond that towards, I would say, around $10 in the next bull market. But since then, we've had altcoins just continuously coming down, making lower lows and getting absolutely smashed to the downside. You can see here Polygon was no exception. I think I bought a bag of it in and around this area here, and then since then I've just been averaging in and around the Fibonacci levels. I think I've bought a few bags here, and then also quite a few bags in and around that 0.23 Fibonacci as well. We're obviously down. I'm probably averaged in and around 50, between 40, I would say 50 and 60 cents right now. I'm probably averaged entry in and around here. And you can see this is the dip that's just kept on dipping for Polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott waves, I would say. Coming down to test the bear market low, getting extremely oversold. I can't imagine that we will see much more downside for Polygon, to be honest, even if Bitcoin has another big sweep to the downside, just because of how crazily overextended this is. You can see I did take a little cheeky long position in this area here. It was previously looking something like this. I took it on this 0.23 Fibonacci level once we started to come down here. We actually come down. I think my stop loss was down here somewhere like this, so we came down into a lot of drawdown, came back up to break even, and then once I saw the market was probably going to roll yet again, I put the stop loss quite close in and I got stopped out for a small loss in this area here with this huge decline to the downside, and now another consolidation for Polygon here. We really do need to see it coming up and breaking through this resistance level that it's been stuck under for basically ever since March, when we were up here at around $1.27 under that 618 Fibonacci level. So if we could break up above this level here and start to make ourselves potentially this inverse head and shoulders pattern, which you see so often in cryptocurrency, I think we could come up and retest this 54 cent level at the 0.23 Fibonacci pretty soon. But firstly, we need to break this resistance here. Overall, we're just chilling and waiting.